Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. ASF Public School and Colleges Karachi. Assignment week 3rd. Class prep. Subject English. Textbook Oxford Modern Premier B 3rd edition. Teacher I am Durdana Alam from ASF Free School Karachi. Dear student, this week our topic articles, uses of a and an. Textbooks page number 3 and 9. Student, you know that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters. In all of these, the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. The rest of them are known as consonants. Use of A. Read the following. All of you read with me, all of you. A duck, a truck, a dice, a all name of thing. These are in the singular numbers and begin with a consonant sound. We have used a before all of them, and now I am going to tell you use of an. All of you read the following again, okay? So look at this picture. An apple, an orange, an onion. Also name of things, they are also in the singular numbers. But all this begin with the vowel sound. We have used and before all of them. Dear student, in last week we have learned articles a and an. I know that you have learned and you can identify where is the vowel sound, where is the consonant sound. Is it clear my point? So dear student, you will read the page number 3 with me, then you will do the page number 9. This one activity I hope you can do easily. Okay, so read page number 3. Open the page number 3 of textbook. Read with me all of you. A box, a mango, a window. Now read again in this column, yellow one column. You can see this in this column. A cat, a jug, a book, a tree, a man, a woman. Are you reading? A boy, a girl, a desk, a fish, a wall, a zoo. Do you understand? These all sounds are consonants. That's why we are using with A. Is it clear my point? Now come on the uses of an. An apple, read with me, an orange, an elephant. Is it clear? Now in this yellow one column, an axe, an ear, an egg, an igloo, an arm, an ant, an insect, an owl, an arrow, an elbow, an eagle, an umbrella. This one sound is vowel sound. So that's why we are using an. Is it clear? Now come on the page number 9. This one activity you can do with mama. Now look at these pictures. Pictures are given in this page. Now first picture is bag, second picture is nest, third one bell, fourth one brush, net, and ant, cap, hat, ladder, egg, lead, arrow. Now you will uses of A and N. Now bat. So beginning sound of ba is consonants. That's why we will use a bat, a nest, a bell, a brush, a net, an ant, and beginning sound of vowel. So that's why we are using an. A cap, a hat, a ladder, an egg is the vowel way. Okay, so beginning sound is vowels, so we are using an. A lead, an arrow, the beginning sound is vowels, so we are using an. Got it? So now you will this one activity on this week, and then read out this one page and do this one activity at home. And now I hope you will learn articles and you can identify uses of vowel sound, consonant sound with A or N concept. Okay, so this week our objective is student will be able to learn the uses of the articles A and N with correct sound. Thank you.